Today we are going to learn about building effective conversational AI agents. We'll explore the essentials of designing conversational AI, focusing on skills like NLP basics, dialogue flow design, sentiment analysis, and integrating with CRM systems. These skills are crucial for creating efficient, user-friendly customer service solutions.
Welcome to our video on building effective conversational AI agents. In today's world, AI-driven conversations are revolutionizing customer service. But what exactly is conversational AI? It's a technology that enables machines to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive manner. This is crucial for improving service efficiency and customer satisfaction. Throughout this video, we'll dive deep into the various components that make up an effective conversational AI agent. We'll explore the basics of natural language processing, learn how to design intuitive dialogue flows, and understand the importance of sentiment analysis. Additionally, we'll discuss how to use context to enhance conversations and the significance of data privacy and security. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create AI agents that not only meet but exceed customer expectations.
Natural language processing, or NLP, is the backbone of any conversational AI system. It's a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. NLP allows machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a valuable way. The importance of NLP in conversational AI cannot be overstated. It enables the AI to comprehend the nuances of human communication, such as intent, sentiment, and context. Key techniques within NLP include tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and named entity recognition. However, NLP also presents challenges, such as understanding homonyms or sarcasm. To tackle these, various tools and libraries like SPA-SI, NLTK, and Hugging Face transformers are employed. By mastering NLP, you'll be able to create conversational agents that can understand and respond accurately to user inputs.
Dialogue flow design is a critical component of building conversational AI agents. A dialogue flow is essentially the blueprint for how a conversation will progress. It's important to design these flows intuitively to ensure seamless and efficient interactions. The first step in creating a dialogue flow is to understand the user's needs and the context of the conversation. Next, define the main paths the conversation can take and identify key decision points. Tools like Lucidchart and Botmock can help visualize and design these flows efficiently. An intuitive dialogue flow is crucial for improving user experience, as it reduces friction and helps guide the user to their desired outcome. By focusing on the user's journey and anticipating their needs, you can create dialogue flows that enhance satisfaction and efficiency. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool that allows conversational AI agents to gauge the emotional tone of a user's input. By understanding whether a user is happy, frustrated, or indifferent, AI systems can tailor their responses to improve interactions. Sentiment analysis involves techniques such as opinion mining and motion detection. This analysis is crucial in customer service, where understanding a customer's emotional state can lead to better service and increased satisfaction. For example, if a user expresses frustration, the AI can escalate the issue to a human agent or offer more empathetic responses. Tools like Vader, TextBlob, and IBM Watson Tone Analyzer are often used for sentiment analysis. By incorporating sentiment analysis, you can enhance the AI's ability to provide personalized and context-sensitive responses, ultimately leading to better user experiences. Context plays a pivotal role in making conversations with AI agents feel natural and coherent. Context-aware AI systems can remember previous interactions, understand the current situation, and predict future needs. Maintaining context involves storing and retrieving relevant information about the user and the conversation. However, managing context can be challenging due to the dynamic nature of conversations and the need for real-time processing. Despite these challenges, context-aware AI can significantly enhance user interactions by providing more relevant and timely responses. For instance, if a user has previously inquired about an order, a context-aware system can bring up that information without needing the user to repeat it. By using context effectively, conversational AI agents can deliver more personalized and efficient interactions, leading to increased user satisfaction and loyalty. Data privacy and security are paramount when building conversational AI agents. As these systems handle sensitive user data, it's crucial to implement robust security measures to protect this information. This includes employing encryption, secure data storage, and regular security audits. A major challenge in AI security is ensuring that systems are resilient against cyber threats and data breaches. Following best practices, such as anonymizing user data and implementing strong authentication protocols, is essential. Additionally, staying compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA is critical for legal and ethical considerations. Tools such as Secure Socket Layer, SSL, data anonymization software, and privacy frameworks can help enhance security. By prioritizing data privacy and security, you can build trust with users and ensure the integrity of your AI systems. Feedback loops are integral to the continuous improvement of conversational AI agents. They provide valuable insights into how users interact with the system and highlight areas for enhancement. Implementing effective feedback loops involves collecting user feedback through surveys, direct interactions, and analyzing usage patterns. This information is crucial for refining dialogue flows, improving response accuracy, and enhancing overall user experience. For instance, if users frequently abandon a conversation at a specific point, it may indicate a need for revising that part of the dialogue flow. Feedback loops also allow AI systems to learn from mistakes and adapt to changing user needs. By incorporating feedback into the development process, you can ensure that your AI agents remain relevant, effective, and user-friendly. Evaluating the performance of conversational AI agents is crucial for ensuring their effectiveness and efficiency. Key metrics to track include response accuracy, user satisfaction, conversation completion rate, and average handling time. These metrics provide insights into how well the AI is performing and highlight areas for improvement. Tools like Google Analytics, Chatbase, and Botanalytics can help measure and analyze these metrics. Regular performance evaluation allows you to identify bottlenecks and optimize dialogue flows for better user experiences. For example, if the average handling time is high, it may indicate a need for streamlining interactions or improving response generation. By continuously monitoring and evaluating performance metrics, you can ensure that your AI agents deliver optimal results and meet user expectations.
Integrating conversational AI agents with existing customer relationship management (CRM) systems can significantly enhance customer service capabilities. This integration allows AI to access customer data, history, and preferences, enabling more personalized and efficient interactions. However, integrating with CRM systems can present challenges, such as compatibility issues and data synchronization. To ensure successful integration, it's important to follow a structured approach, including assessing compatibility, mapping data flows, and testing integrations thoroughly. Popular CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho offer APIs and tools for seamless integration with AI agents. By leveraging CRM integration, you can provide a cohesive customer experience, streamline service processes, and improve overall satisfaction. This integration also enhances the AI's ability to provide context-aware responses, making interactions more relevant and valuable.
In conclusion, building effective conversational AI agents is an essential skill for enhancing customer service and improving user experience. Throughout this video, we've explored the fundamentals of natural language processing, the importance of designing intuitive dialogue flows, and the role of sentiment analysis. We've also discussed the significance of context, data privacy, and incorporating feedback loops. By integrating with CRM systems, you can further enhance the capabilities of your AI agents. As AI continues to evolve, its role in customer service will become even more pivotal. We encourage you to continue exploring this exciting field and apply what you've learned to create impactful AI solutions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing how you'll innovate in the world of conversational AI.